Getting started with SoundBase begins with shifting how we think about a show file, moving away from isolated documents to a structured, multi-level environment. Once you sign in at soundbase.app, you will create your first project, which acts as the container for everything your team needs. For an individual coordinator, this means you can duplicate a site to quickly move your entire equipment rack to a new city, while keeping your original coordination safe. For wider teams, this structure ensures everyone is looking at the same map of the venue. The RF coordinator can manage the general session zone, while an assistant handles breakout rooms in the same project without ever stepping on each other's toes. We highly recommend adopting a consistent naming convention right from the start, such as numbering your show zone, because the data ripples through every report and device label your team will use. By spending 5 minutes on this initial setup, you're effectively saving 30 minutes of troubleshooting later when the show gets busy. This foundation turns your project into a single source of truth where the plan finally matches your physical reality of the stage.